Waffles are not a on your way out the door to school kind of recipe for me. They are a special, I'm gonna do something extra nice for you on a Saturday or Sunday morning kind of recipe. Waffles take a little bit more effort and it makes them a little bit more special. The first thing you're gonna do is turn on the waffle maker to the medium heat setting. Allow that to come to temperature and we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. You're gonna start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of fine sea salt to a medium-sized mixing bowl, and just whisk that all together until it's combined. On to the wet ingredients. Crack 2 large eggs into a large mixing bowl. If you happen to lose a little bit of shell in that bowl, you can just use your eggshells to fish those out. They are the best tool for the job. Then you'll add in 1 1/3 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Whisk that all together and you'll add in your dry ingredients. Whisk until that's combined, and then it's time to bring in the blueberries. Add 1 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries, washed and dried, and fold them in, don't whisk. You don't want to break up your blueberries, you want them to stay pretty and whole. Then you'll add 1/3 cup of the batter to the waffle maker, shut it and let that go until your waffles are a perfect golden brown. Remove them from the waffle maker. Place them on a wire rack, this way they won't get soggy on the underside, and keep going until all your batter is used up. If those blueberries happen to make your waffle maker a little bit sticky, you can come in with some nonstick cooking spray, give your waffle maker a little spritz, and keep on going. Once the waffles are all finished and they're looking golden and gorgeous, you can top it off with a pat of butter. It's a pat. You can top it off with a pat of butter, a drizzle of maple syrup. Then you can serve them up and be the breakfast time hero. If you're on the hunt for more super special breakfasty recipes, be sure to check out my Winning at Brunch playlist next. That's tasty. It's really good.